Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the major Himalayan rivers of India. The major Himalayan rivers of India they are the Ganga, the Indus and the Brahmaputra. And you also know that the longest river of India that is the Ganga. Now let us discuss one by one. First, the Indus River system. The Indus River, it originates near Mansarovar Lake. You can see the image over there. I have circled with red circle. Okay. Indus River originates near Mansarovar Lake in Tibet. After that, Indus River flows further westward direction and enters India in the Ladakh region. And in Kashmir region, it is joined by many tributaries like Jaskar, Nubra, Siok, etc. This tributary's name not necessary to remember, and after that it enters Pakistan and flows towards the south direction. And at Mithankot, I have written Mithankot with red letters. Okay, at Mithankot, Indus River is joined by its tributaries Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, and Bias. You might be asked where the tributaries of the Indus River, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, and Bias meet or join Indus River. Definitely at Mithankot, it is in Pakistan. And after that, the big Indus River flows further southward direction and via Karachi, it drains into Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now, point to be noted, or the important point, Indus Water Treaty 1960. Indus Water Treaty 1960 1960. Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan in the year 1960, and according to that treaty, India can use only 20% of the water of Indus River system and Pakistan use 80%, and that 20% of the water of Indus River system India use for the purpose of irrigation in Punjab and Haryana region. Now let us discuss another river system of India, that is the Brahmaputra river system or the river Brahmaputra. The river Brahmaputra, you see the image, it originates near Mansarovar Lake in Tibet. Okay, near or east of Mansarovar Lake in Tibet, Brahmaputra river originates. Here it is not called Brahmaputra, it has given the name Sangpo. That means in Tibet it is known by the name Sangpo, and it flows further eastward direction and reaches Namcha Barwa. Namcha Barwa, it is a mountain or the peak in China or the Tibet region. And after reaching Namcha Barwa, the river Brahmaputra turns or take U-turn and enters Arunachal Pradesh in India. And in Arunachal Pradesh, it is known by the name Dihan, and it is also joined by the tributaries Lohit River, Dibang River, and finally reaches Assam. And in Assam, it is known by the name Brahmaputra. And in Assam, you also know that Brahmaputra river has made the world largest riverine island. That means the island formed by the river, that is the Majuli Island, and Majuli Island is the world's largest riverine island formed by river Brahmaputra in Assam. After that, The Brahmaputra river flows towards Bangladesh, and in Bangladesh it is known by the name Jamuna. Known by the name Jamuna. Okay, that means Brahmaputra river in Tibet called Sangpo. After that, reaching Namchabarwa, takes U-turn, enters Arunachal Pradesh, and known by the name Dihang. After that, reaches Assam and known by the name Brahmaputra, and enters Bangladesh and known by the name Jamuna. Okay. Now let us discuss another river system of India, that is the Ganga river system. This is the Ganga river system. This is the Ganga river system, and you see at the top left side Bhagirathi is written over there. The river Bhagirathi originates from Gangotri Glacier. The river Bhagirathi originated from Gangotri Glacier, and at the right side you see with red letters river Alakananda. River Alakananda and river Bhagirathi join or meet at Devprayag in Uttarakhand, and now it is the Ganga. And the Ganga river now flows further eastward direction, and when it flows eastward direction, it is joined by many of the tributaries from the Himalayan region and also from the peninsular region. Now, first discuss about the tributaries of Ganga from the Himalayan region. They are Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and Yamuna. Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and Yamuna are the tributaries of Ganga. They are originated from the Himalayas region only. Okay, and you also have to remember Yamuna, it is originated from Yamunotri glacier. Okay, you have to remember this. And another one, the rivers or the tributaries of Ganga from the peninsular plateau, they are the river Chambal, the Betwa, and the Son. Chambal, Betwa, and the Son, they are the rivers or the tributaries of Ganga from the peninsular plateau, and they are originated from semi-arid region, so they have short course also, and at the same time by volume of water they also carry very less amount of water also. Okay, that means you might have understood that the tributaries of Ganga from the Himalayas region only, they are Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and Yamuna. Okay, and from the peninsular plateau, the Chambal, Betwa, and the Son. Okay, now Yamuna river joins Ganga at Allahabad in UP. After that, it flows further eastward and reaches Varanasi in UP. After that, reaches Patna, and finally it reaches Farakka. Farakka is written there. Farakka, it is a place in West Bengal. Okay, and Farakka is the region or the place where Ganga river divides into two. You can see the image. Ganga river is divided into two parts or two divisions, and that particular place from where Ganga is divided into two, that place is the Farakka region, and that Farakka region is in West Bengal, Murshidabad district. Okay, now after dividing into two, one part of the Ganga, that means now the distributary of Ganga. Now distributary of Ganga flows towards the south, and via Kolkata it enters a drain into Bay of Bengal, and that distributary called the Bhagirathi Hooghly river. Okay, Bhagirathi Hooghly river, this is the distributary of Ganga, and another main stream of the Ganga flows further and it enters Bangladesh. And in Bangladesh, Ganga river is known by the name Padma. Okay, now point to be noted, in Bangladesh, Ganga river and the Brahmaputra river, they combinedly form the delta, and name of that delta is called the Sundarban delta, and Sundarban delta is the world's largest delta. Okay, and the Sundarban delta has got its name because of the presence of Sundari tree. And another point, that is the Meghna. In Bangladesh, Ganga River and Brahmaputra River both meet or join together, and it is known by the name Meghna. And another point to be noted, that is Ambala. Ambala is the water divide, and we have already discussed about the water divide. And Ambala is the water divide between the river Ganga and Indus.